It won't be long until the Salvation Army's bell ringers are out collecting donations at local stores.
Wednesday, we'll see the official kickoff of the effort that raises the majority of the organization's funds each year. This year's goal is $550,000 to fund everything from the Salvation Army's day shelter to their assistance programs. Leaders with the Salvation Army say that a strong volunteer force and a generous public are needed to keep the Salvation Army and its services available each and every year.
Day shelter operation and our emergency social services and our lunch program and the Bundle Me Warm and the back to school stuff. Any event that we've done that gives back to the community, what we raise during the Christmas season goes to make a difference there.
The Salvation Army kickoff event will be at the River Hills Mall at 11:30. To learn how you can get involved and volunteer for bell ringing, visit this story at KEYC.com. Hey, Sean.